guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I am a little bummed out, to be honest, but let's get into this. Ooh, look at that wrench and pour, man. I mean pour, roar. I am too hungry. Okay, let's get it. 5,000 RPM. 5. Woo! Oh yes. A little speed in a safe speed, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm a little bummed out because today was the day that I found out that my taillights are too far gone to be saved. And I'm talking about the single halo Ferrari style taillights that I made as part of the Spider build. Now, that's not to say that I won't get another pair, but right now I'm just bummed out. To be honest, like, my mistake was to put the aftermarket taillights at the same temperature that I put my OEM headlights to open it. Well, that was a mistake because it warped it really bad. And I tried. I redid the taillight a million times, and I tried like different products to seal it properly, but it didn't hold. It was just too warped. And I didn't know how bad it was until I put back the 0607s. And I'm like, wow. Anyway, enough said about my taillights. I'm just bummed out. Now let's talk about the channel name crisis that I have going on here. First, I got Wrenchettes. I made that up. That means wrenching with the finest wrenches, and that was a joke because I'm not a mechanic, and you know I was wrenching the finest of wrenches, like if I knew what I was doing. Anyway, make a little ooh, I love that. Woo. Oh man, this G is so beautiful, so much fun, man. Anyway, an Instagrammer told me that my name actually means feminine. I'm like, wait a minute. If I want to go mainstream, I cannot have this name, even though that I love it and that I had great intentions with it. But it just means feminine. I cannot be mainstream with a feminine name. That's weird. That's like me having a channel called Playgirl and then blowing up and I'm still Playgirl. Like something's going on here. You know what I'm saying? I'm not judging. Just saying. So then I went to Wrenchini and people wasn't following this. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna end all the names and I'm gonna go with my name. But then I was like, well, I'm gonna go 50-50. I'm gonna go like gimmicky, name, you know, a tag, and then my name. So I made up what you are seeing right now, which is Lewis Can Do It. But then I'm like, okay, I'm a fan of channels like Amelia Hartford and Cletus McFarlane is what I'm trying to say. And they use their name as the channel name and their brand. So I'm like, you know what? That's what I want to do. In every other world that I've been into, in the gaming world or whatever, in the music world, I've gone by LMB, which is my name, Luis Miguel, right? B. I want to know your thoughts. What do you guys think of LMB as the main channel name from now on and forever? I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. So if you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video. Until then, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.